Hey guys, this is Gaurav again. So today in this video I'm going to touch on another function from Excel, and that's AND. So in the last video we saw the OR function, right? So AND and OR are most probably the same thing with the with the great difference actually. OR is if either of your condition is being satisfied, it'll throw back a true value, and if none of the conditions are satisfied, it will give you false value. So it's kind of it's not interdependent on different logics you'll put in, but with AND it's you have to make sure, or the formula has to make sure, that all the conditions which you'll put, or the logics you'll put in the function, they all have to get satisfied, right? Or they should all be satisfied to throw a true value. So I think I use more AND than OR because most of the time you just want to have the exact match or exact reasoning behind it, but the way the formula works is exactly same as OR. So let's get started. When we put AND to last Q for the logical test, so let's say if our first logical test we want to say if the person is from EMEA, let's say if we want to check if this is EMEA and if he qualified as well. So if the pass score is 50, then we want to check if his score is greater than 50, and that's it. Or we can say greater than and equal to 50 as well here. Alright, so let's see. Okay, false, because none of these conditions or not really none of them, but one of the conditions gets satisfied. The guy is from EMEA, but he didn't really scored greater than or equal to 50, so it's a false value. Let's drag it and see if it satisfies any of that. So alright, so the last guy, right, Frank, he's from EMEA, first condition satisfied, and then he scored greater than 60, so the second condition satisfied. So which means both the conditions satisfied, so it's and that's why it shows us the true value. So I think AND is used more than OR because we want to make sure generally we want to make sure that as many as conditions we put in are all satisfied in a data set, and we want to find those unique values, like if how many students in the EMEA passed. So we can just for example here filter them if we want. So in the table we can just do this, and then it is going to throw us to, okay, this is just only one guy. Alright, so this table is very small, so it doesn't we can just have a look like this, but otherwise when you are dealing with a lot of data, such formula definitely helps you in analytics and analyzing, okay, how many of the records basically satisfy a particular condition and particular logic, based on, and then definitely you can put more than one, more than two, 3 logics, 4 logics, and then if all of them get satisfied, then it should show you a true value, and is the function you have to use. So and OR, like in my last video which I used, these functions are also used as nested functions. When you are using multiple or long formulas, they are definitely very, very helpful, because any logical function you can nest with another function where you want to just put a condition on an existing function. So like SUMIF. So we are going to look at those nested formulas in our coming videos. I have been using a lot of them, so I'm going to start with the basic and then gradually grow to the complex stuff. Alright, thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, click the like button, and definitely subscribe to my channel, as I'll be making more videos on Excel and jumping on to the complex stuff very soon. In case you want me to explain any specific function, definitely leave me a comment, and I'll try to first prioritize it and talk about that function first. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Bye for now.